Good morning, guys. Welcome to another tutorial with software design. Today, I want to teach you how you can step down work in Coreldraw. And to step down work, that is to bring down the work from a higher version to a lower version, so that someone using a lower version can use. So, for instance, now let's go to first go to File, go to Save As. From Save As here, let's see. From savers, do you see versions from here? This is 2023, 2023. So there is 2023 version, but 2021 improved. Like this, you can see the different versions. So, for instance, someone that is using 18 can can open a work on recent versions, but somebody has that has done a work on recent version, you can't open it with a lower version. That is how it works in Coreldraw. So now you can come down to 18 and then change the file name. Let's change the file name to, let's say, David Wick. Then, for instance, click yes. It will ask you that this document uses an alignment setting that is not supported in earlier versions. You understand? So for people using a lower version, they can open it, but people using a higher version can open a lower version of work on their applications. So now I click OK. So this is just a simple way you can do it. If you have any challenges, you have any problems, drop it in the comment section. We'll be able to attend to you as at when due. Thank you so much and subscribe for more.